In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming lag on Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about fixing lag that you might be experiencing when trying to run Fortnite on Xbox Cloud Gaming. I want to make it very apparent that the only reason on why this happens is because you have a slow internet connection. As you might be aware, Xbox Cloud Gaming depends on streaming the gameplay of whatever you are playing, in this case Fortnite, over to you on any device, and because of this you need to have a strong internet connection. You need to always be able to receive the streamed content, and if you have a slow internet connection or your ISP is having trouble giving you the best experience possible, you will encounter lag when trying to play any game including Fortnite. So I'm just going to go ahead and exit out of full screen, go back to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website to talk about why this issue happens and what you can do. I want to make it very clear that unfortunately there isn't much that you can do on the official website. So regardless of which device you visit, there won't be a setting that you can change that makes this infinitely better right away. It is usually going to come down to your internet service provider. The best course of action is to talk to them directly. So follow their instructions on how to get a better internet connection or explore new plans that they might offer to you. Some things that you can do on your end is to first, if you are using Wi-Fi and you don't have the option to use an Ethernet cable, for example, if you are on mobile, make sure that you stay as close to your router as possible. If you are far away from your router, maybe you are in a room that has a lot of walls between you and your router, your connection is going to be laggy, and it is going to have too much latency, meaning that your inputs will not feel smooth and it is going to be a bad experience. So you need to stay as close to the router as possible, or alternatively, like I said, use an Ethernet cable. Of course, you are only going to be able to use a cable connection if you are doing this process on a PC or the console itself. Now, besides this, like I said, there isn't much that you can do. You can try changing the browser, clearing your data, or closing extra games or applications that might be running in the background, but it really comes down to having a great internet connection. And unfortunately, if your internet service provider does not give you a good connection, you will not be able to fix this issue easily. Try calling them and asking if there are any possible ways for you to improve your connection if you want to use Wi-Fi or connect the cable when trying to access Xbox Cloud Gaming. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Xbox Cloud Gaming lag on Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.